Introduction to HTML5 Textarea. HTML5 Textarea is a UI element for users to enter multiple lines of text, commonly used in forms for extensive user input like comments or feedback. Customizable according to your web page needs. Basic syntax of an HTML5 text area. Defined using the text area tag with attributes such as name, rows, and cols. Name identifies the field when form is submitted. Rows denotes the number of lines of text. Cols sets the number of characters per line. Attributes of text area. Main bullet, autofocus. Sub-bullets automatically focuses the cursor in the text area when the page loads. Main bullet, disabled. Sub-bullets renders the text area non-interactable to the user. Main bullet, read-only. Sub-bullets prevents the user from modifying the text in the text area. Main bullet, placeholder. Sub-bullets displays guide text in the text area before the user starts typing. Main bullet form attribute, sub-bullets, associates the text area with a form identified by its ID, useful when the text area is not placed inside the form. Main bullet, wrapping text, sub-bullets, wrap attribute specifies how text in a text area is to be wrapped when submitted in a form. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Always specify rows and cols attributes to ensure the text area is large enough. Size attribute has no effect on a text area. Instead, use rows and cols. Use the label element to provide a descriptive label for your text area for improved accessibility and user experience. Tips and tricks. Style your text area with CSS to match the rest of your site. Use JavaScript to add interactivity, such as displaying a character count while the user is typing. Conclusion: HTML5 text area is a versatile element for gathering extensive user input. With new HTML5 attributes, you can make your text area more user-friendly and interactive.